In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the Yoast SEO sitemap in your WordPress site. This is a simple process, but it's essential to follow each step carefully to ensure everything is set up correctly. To get started, let's begin by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Yoast SEO settings. You'll find this under the General section in the dashboard. It's usually located towards the left-hand side of the screen. Click on Yoast SEO, and then proceed to click on Settings. Once you're in the Settings area, look for an option called Site Features. This is where you'll be able to manage various components of Yoast SEO, including the XML sitemaps. At this point, you're in the right place, and you need to keep an eye out for the XML sitemaps toggle. XML sitemaps are crucial for helping search engines crawl your site efficiently. However, there are instances where you might want to disable them, particularly if you're using another plugin for your sitemaps or handling it through a custom setup. Now, over on the Site Features page, find the XML Sitemaps toggle. It's typically a straightforward on and off switch that controls whether Yoast will generate a sitemap for you. In this step, simply click the toggle to set it to off. This action effectively disables the Yoast-generated XML sitemaps, so make sure this is what you want before proceeding. After setting the toggle to off, there's one more critical step to complete. To ensure your changes are saved, you need to click on the Save Changes button. It's usually located towards the bottom of the page. This step is vital because clicking Save Changes confirms your new settings and applies them, preventing your sitemap from being generated by Yoast SEO moving forward. Should you decide later on that you want to enable Yoast's sitemaps once again, simply follow these steps and toggle the XML sitemaps back to on. This ability to easily switch settings is part of what makes WordPress and its plugins like Yoast SEO so user-friendly and adaptable to different needs. Before you finish, it's a good practice to verify that your sitemap is indeed disabled. You can do this by trying to access your sitemap URL in your browser. If it's disabled correctly, you should receive a page stating the sitemap is not found. Always double-check because search engines rely on accurate information, and maintaining control over your sitemap is a significant factor in search engine optimization. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the Yoast SEO sitemap. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Disabling the sitemap in Yoast can be crucial for certain website configurations, so it's great to know how to manage this setting effectively. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.